Good day, everyone. I'm Ted, your host, and welcome back to Night Owl Body Cams. Today, we're talking about a real huge idiot that thought that what was going on his cell phone was a lot more important than what was happening in front of him as he was driving. Let's get into it.
On October 5th, 2023, officers responded to a roadway following reports of a 5-vehicle crash with possible entrapment after a 26-year-old man named Gavin, distracted by his phone, lost control of his vehicle and plowed into 4 cars that had paused in traffic, one woman and leaving another in critical condition.
Is everybody all right?
No. Who's this second car under the truck right here? We've got a kid on the left side who's pretty bad.
He's still on his phone.
She's going to be the hard one to get out. Okay.
No pulse. We have
No pulse. She can be free. Okay. Hey.
like now. No, we have one that's no pulse.
I think there's no response yet.
They're saying there's no pulse, but I haven't checked. I just got here. You see me pass you guys.
Move it up. Nope. I don't see anyone in there.
Let's check this one. Yeah.
I don't know yet.
He's warm.
You can tell.
Do you need help holding or anything? I'm certified.
Give us a second.
Holy crap. Check out the damage done to the vehicles. The guy must have been going at a pretty substantial speed to do that kind of damage.
Let us handle it. Hey, I know you want to. Let us handle it. Whose car is this? Yours? Let me see. You got the keys? We're going to try to move this out the way.
Yep.
My front driver's side door is stuck, but my car is still on the track.
We ain't getting this one out. It ain't moving.
He's got
one. All right, yeah. You got to confirm. DOA right here.
You guys going to St. Vincent? Yeah. Okay. All right, who's in the Nissan? Grab your driver's license for me. Registration and insurance. Pickup truck, same thing. Yeah, we'll stand by for your information. Go on the other side, east. Okay.
I'm trying to get everything straight because there's so many freaking people here.
So. One, he's the Jeep. I don't know who was driving the black vehicle.
I think it's this guy. He said he's the husband of the decedent. So.
Okay, I thought you were pickup. Yeah, I didn't know it was there until I got there, and that's why I was like,
Not sure.
One girl's really bad, and the other one's deceased.
They're just going to work there.
I think it's just 3 vehicles. No, 4 vehicles. What's up? Huh?
Talked to one of your witnesses, he said he's on the right lane. Said all the cars in front of up to the SUV right here, all stopped. He just waited. Never stopped up in the first spot.
That far where it did all that?
Yeah, cool. Your Jeep was one strong as hell. He had some problems with those like Are you driving this white car?
Yes.
Did you get hit?
No. I did call 911 though. I didn't know if I needed to stick around for.
Did you see what happened?
Yes, I did.
What you see happen here today?
So I was in the right lane here, and the gentleman in the back there just cruising right along, never hit his brakes, and they were all at a dead stop.
So every car was stopped?
Every car was at a complete stop.
Who are you and all the...
I'm the husband.
Of what car?
She's the one that's...
Okay, I'm sorry to hear that. Do you have your ID with you?
Yeah.
Okay. And were you the only person in the truck?
Yeah, just that my dog here.
Okay. Just give us a couple minutes, okay?
Sure.
What's your name?
Gavin Mosley.
Gavin? Okay. I'm Triple Mac Bosco State Police, okay?
Okay.
You're the one driving the Jeep, correct?
Yes.
Okay. So what's going to happen, I'm going to just tell you this right now real quick, okay? We got some protocol we got to follow, but we're going to do that here in a little bit, okay?
Okay.
But due to the severity of the crash and everything, we're going to go ahead and take your cell phone. Our detective wants it, okay?
Okay.
And you made your notification and everything to your wife, family and stuff?
Yeah, my fiance and my mom know, so
Okay,
yeah,
okay.
they just want me to let
It's important to note that the dick is still on his cell phone. He hasn't been off it since the crash happened.
them know if I can at some point.
Okay,
They
so
know what
we'll...
hospital we're going to, St. Vincent.
I didn't tell them what hospital because I didn't know until just a minute ago.
All right,
So
Who's witness? Did you get witness ID?
I got his ID.
You have it on you?
Phone number. This is phone number. I'll put it on the car for you. I got you.
The Jeep?
No, the car that's
The one that was driving, the one that's inside is the one that's sitting down, the old guy, Davis. And then two females in back, unidentified right now. Then red shirt.
Two people back there?
Huh?
Two people back there?
Yeah, one's gone to what's it called, St. Vincent, and the other one's gone. He's driver of a pickup truck, and then the Hispanic girl with the pink pants is in the orange Nissan, and then the Indian guy in the black hoodie was in the semi. I'm getting ready to stick some information in the car. I don't have any statements yet. I just
Yeah, you're good. So that's truck driver.
this is pickup.
Yeah.
So Jeep is going to be Ginger. The one that's getting carted off right now, he's the driver of the black vehicle. Two females were in the passenger. The one in the rear passenger is DOA. The one on the driver's side is at St. Vincent. Red shirt, pickup truck. Mexican female with the pink pants is the Nissan. Then this dude right here with the black coat is the semi truck. So
Have we got statements from the Jeep?
I haven't got statements for anybody. I'm just trying to grab information on who's who.
Are you the semi-truck driver?
driver, yeah.
Okay, do you have a dash camera?
No, I don't.
Is this your dog?
Yes.
Oh.
I'm going to take her for a walk.
Are you involved?
No, I saw it probably happened about 3 minutes in front of me.
Yeah.
I saw the smoke and I
The
stopped.
aftermath.
Yeah, just as soon as I was pulling up, everybody was starting to go around.
Okay, sounds good. Take your dog out. So,
Driver one go.
driver one is with the ambulance. He's he is the ginger-headed
Yes.
guy. Yes.
So he's not getting transported, right?
I don't believe so.
Okay.
Where do the people from these, or where do they come from?
So black coat is the driver of semi up there.
Okay, and he's involved?
He got hit once and everything. He was
the
like the last person.
Okay. So you were driving the semi, yes?
Yeah.
What vehicle were you in?
He's my team driver. I was driving.
He's your co-driver?
Yes.
Okay.
Was the truck between the orange one and this? What is this?
Yes.
Is this a Kia?
I don't know what that.
Okay. Was the truck between those, or was the truck? Where was the truck at?
I don't have statements, but I'm assuming it was behind them. They said it was this vehicle was going fast and rear-ended everything.
Okay. And this was the semi up there.
Yep.
Okay.
That's all I have. Like I said, I don't have statements because that's.
So did any of the drivers say anything?
No, Graves said hold off from interviewing in case there is something criminal.
Yeah.
So I got the driver's phone,
Yep.
but he said other than that, Hanson's coming. Hanson will do it.
Okay, but he's being
So-
transported to the hospital, right?
Yeah. So, but he's okay. He's going, basically just going.
To get checked out.
But our witness says traffic was at a dead stop,
Yeah.
and he never even stopped. He
Well, he
just
probably came over this hill crest and didn't notice the traffic was stopped.
up the hill.
Well, that's true. But he was driving way
But
too
it's,
fast.
yeah, it's fast, and then, I mean, it is at a peak of the hill crest, so traffic probably stopped quickly,
Yeah.
but he should have braked. I know it's raining, but I don't think he even braked.
Well, there's no tire. Well,
That's just from impact and pushing, I think.
yeah.
Witnesses on scene told officers that traffic had come to a complete stop when the man's vehicle came over a hill and struck the line of cars without braking. A search warrant on his phone later revealed he sent 28 messages across 3 platforms in the 27 minutes before the crash, 21 texts, 6 Snapchats, and 1 Facebook Messenger message.
How old is this juvenile? And who was
What that means to me is that he probably didn't even see the car stopped. His eyes were probably focused on his phone at the time. That would explain why he didn't brake, because he didn't even know the cars were there. He didn't see anything beyond what was on his phone.
the driver?
We don't know how old she is yet. I'm guessing by looking at her, probably 10 or 11.
Who was the driver? Her parents?
Her grandpa, I think. And the other, her sister, I'm assuming, the other female that was with her, is in serious condition.
Was she wearing a seatbelt?
Yeah.
She was? The 10-0 was wearing a
Yeah, but
seatbelt?
they're pretty much in the passenger seat.
Yeah. Well, because he hit him so damn hard. So it was Jeep, and then it was passenger car, and then the truck.
And then the other car, and then the semi.
Yes.
So he hit him so hard.
Well, we're going to do a download on that. The driver of this Jeep is in the medic already left, but he's fine. Oh, the Dirty Cherokee? Yeah, he comes up over the hill, probably, I don't know, 90 plus miles an hour.
Easy.
Fast.
Typical stop and go traffic for this time frame.
Yep, and it's raining and blah, blah, blah. This semi-truck driver isn't involved. He just saw the aftermath of it. So obviously he came to a stop in time to avoid hitting them. So
he was a good distance too.
Yeah, Jeep car gets pushed up underneath, pickup truck, Nissan Rogue in front, semi-truck gets hit last. 10-0 is a 10 to 12-year-old female in the car with her grandfather, Magna Bosco thought, and a sibling that is also not very good. I would really like Medevac to get here so we can scan these, how they are, and because the firemen have their stilts holding up the truck.
Have we taken photos?
Yes. I started taking pictures, and then I called Elwood. Mag started taking pictures.
Have you talked to anyone to come pick you up?
My son is literally sitting over here.
Okay, tell him to go meet you at the St. Vincent's Hospital over here.
Okay.
That's where we're gonna go.
Okay. You find my driver's license yet? Make sure that's the right one. I'll have my glasses
As long
on.
as the policy number's the same, then you're good. That's not
Yes.
explained, so you're good.
Yes.
Hey, you can grab your dog. We're gonna walk over here to this car right here. All right. I'm gonna read this to y'all right quick.
Yes, sir.
I have reason to believe that you operate a vehicle that was involved in a fatal or serious bodily injury crash. I must now offer you the opportunity to submit to a chemical test and inform you that where you submit to the blood draw.
Yes, sir.
All right, we're gonna go in here.
Now that actually puzzles me. Why did they want these guys take a blood draw to see if they've been drinking or under the influence of anything? I mean, they definitely were not responsible for the accident. The one guy drove a semi, and the other guy was, well, a victim like anyone else. Just struck me as a little bit odd.
The man initially denied being distracted, claiming he had turned to check for an opening to merge lanes. He later admitted he had been looking at Snapchat and messages at the time of the crash. Gavin pleaded guilty to 1 felony count of reckless homicide and 1 misdemeanor count of reckless driving, with 2 additional reckless driving charges dismissed as part of the plea agreement. He was sentenced to 3 years, with his driver's license suspended for 4 years, and a no-contact order issued involving the family of the critically injured victim.
The name of the victim that didn't make it was Sarah Davis. She was a longtime nurse, wife, and mother. And her life was so senselessly taken, all because of one incredibly selfish man that thought what was happening on his phone was more important than what was happening on the road ahead of him. And at the end of the day, he got a meal 3 years. I personally think Sarah Davis deserved more justice than that. Well, thanks for making it all the way to the end. This video originally appeared on the channel Unpopular. I left a link to the original video down in my description in case you want to go and see the video in its entirety without my endless talking. By all means, go ahead and do it. Make sure you send him lots of love because he's got a lot of great stuff on his channel. As for my channel, before you go, if you could be kind enough to hit like and subscribe and to share this video, it really does help my channel out. Until next time, good night.